Cryptocurrency Explained: The Future of Finance. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central authority, such as a government or central bank, which makes it decentralized. Here's an explanation of cryptocurrency and its potential role in the future of finance. Key concepts. 1. Blockchain technology. Most cryptocurrencies rely on blockchain technology, a decentralized and immutable ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures transparency and security. 2. Digital ownership. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, which can be software-based or hardware-based. These wallets provide secure ownership and control over your cryptocurrency holdings. 3. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by a single entity, making them resistant to censorship and government interference. Transactions occur directly between users without the need for intermediaries.